He's got good power, although he's finding the guys a little harder to knock out than he did early in his career. There's that speed of hand. Look out
For Parker, Arizona.
Andres Ponce Ruiz Jr. o kilala bilang Andy Ruiz Jr. alias Destroyer, ang pinakaunang heavyweight boxer ng Mexico na nag-champion. September 2011, sa edad pa lang na 21, ay nagpamalas na agad ng galing ang batang si Andy Ruiz Jr. sa bansang Amerika. Nilabanan niya ang 33 anyos na taga-Canada na si Ken Frank. May record si Ruiz Jr. na 11 wins, 0 loss, 7 dito via knockout, habang 6 wins, 3 losses, 1 draw, 2 via KO naman si Ken Frank. Ito ang pang-12 laban ni Andy Ruiz Jr. sa bansang Amerika, habang pangalawang dayo pa lang ito ni Ken Frank na taga-Canada. Muling nagpakita si Andy Ruiz dito ng pagiging halimaw sa batang edad pa lang. Tutoy tignan ang mukha pero matindi pala sa bakbakan sa ibabaw ng lona. Sabay nating balikan ang labang Andy Ruiz Jr. kontra pambato ng bansang Canada na si Ken Frank. Unang round, pansin na agad ang mga solidong suntok nitong si Ruiz Jr. Malakidlat sa bilis ang mga birada, dagdagan mo pa ng mga halimaw niyang kombinasyon.
Well, he isn't chiseled and he fights flat, and people are shocked by his speed.
See him go to the body right there, working on Ken Frank's here. Took this fight on 5 days' notice, and give him credit, he's here.
Yeah, well, it's like he's or go out on the river and
Hang out
in Arizona on a beautiful night.
Up top. Ruiz really showing some speed there, Rich.
Say, Alan, he's a kid who fights very well. He's got good power, although he's finding the guys a little harder to knock out than he did early in his career. There's that speed of hand. Look out.
Above you and fast. And as Rich was saying, you just saw them.
He has worked a lot with Freddie Roach these days with some rather big name stars.
Well, he was trying to do that as a Mexican heritage. Oh, there's the upstairs slapping around right there. The hook's coming fast and furious. That was Holyfield, who could teach him a thing or two.
At sa huling segundo, nahuli itong Canadian ng kombinasyon ni Ruiz at bagsak ito.
Tonight, we'll be right back for Parker, Arizona.
Pero di daw counted sabi ng referee dahil tumunog na ang kampana.
Bell, or actually after the bell, he wore his one-top Indian.
Dito sa round 2, pilit pang bumawi ng Canadian boxer, sinubukang sumabay sa lakas ng batang halimaw.
Hands down if he does that and get the knockout he's anticipating tonight, I'm sure. You mentioned something to him today that ago, but he's having to get some extra work in. He's scheduled for 6 here.
Pero di talaga kinaya ng mas malaking kalaban ang lakas ng suntok nitong si Andy Ruiz Jr. Dagdagan mo pa ng mga accurate nitong mga kombinasyon.
Frank stuck his head in right there. He's paying a price. Left hand, right hand, up against the ropes. Digging to the body now, Rich.
Kaya sa huling minuto ng round 2 ay mismong kampo na ni Ken Frank ang umayaw. Naghagis na ng puting tuwalya, hudyat ng pagsuko nila. Nasilip na kasi nila na wala na talagang pag-asang manalo ang alaga nila kontra sa mas bata at mas maliit na si Andy Ruiz Jr. Panalo ang binansagang Destroyer sa heavyweight division via second round TKO at napanatili ang pagiging undefeated nito.
Your winner by way of technical knockout, Andy Ruiz Jr.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.